accepting my invitation to make an interview with you today. So let's start now. Sure. So the question is, why do you think it is important to study the lives and works of Rizal?
Dr. Jose Rizal had the potential to become a famous writer or doctor and live comfortable life. But he chose to dedicate himself to enlighten his fellow Filipinos through his writing. His notable works, No Limitang Here and El Filibusterismo, are still studied today. He also established La Liga Filipina to fight for Filipino rights, better education, and economic progress. Rizal deep love for his country and his inspiring life make it important to study him, as his legacy can continue to educate and motivate future generations to stand up for Filipino rights.
In your perspective as a student, is it relevant?
Yes, it is important to study Dr. Jose Rizal's life from which his works were based. His work's purpose is to let the Filipinos open their eyes to the society situation, education, and government. Dr. Jose Rizal's works will remain relevant for students to study because his advocate reforms from the Philippines. He wanted education rights and quality. It is only necessary for us Filipinos to appreciate and understand. Dr. Jose Rizal's intention studying Dr. Jose Rizal's life would uncover how great of a person he is.
So, hello everyone. First of all, thank you for accepting my invitation to make an interview with all of you for my school activity. So, without a further ado, let's start. So, each of you will be getting the same questions. Let's start with Jelen. The question is, why do you think it is important to learn the life and works of Dr. Jose Rizal?
Um, for me po, I think it's very important to learn the life and works of Jose Rizal because ang laki-laki na naging contribution niya for us to have our freedom sa kamay ng Spanish colonization. At saka, I think sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral ng buhay niya at mga gawa niya, mas mauunawaan nating mga Pilipino ano, yung kasaysayan natin. Tsaka magiging inspirasyon natin siya para mas mahalin natin yung bansa natin na pinaglaban nila. Yan lang po. Thank you.
So, thank you for that wonderful answer. Let's hear it from Sarah naman. So, Sarah, I will repeat the question for you. Why do you think it is important to learn the life and works of Dr. Jose Rizal?
For me po, it is important for us students to recognize that Republic Act 1425, known as the Rizal Law, mandates that the study of Rizal's life and works. So this law requires educational institutions to incorporate Rizal's writings into their curricula to foster civic consciousness and nationalism among students. So, this legal requirement highlights the significance of Rizal's contributions to our national identity. So, Rizal's writings and actions continue to inspire movements for social justice, human rights, and national development. His legacy motivates us to think critically and engage actively in addressing modern social issues. By studying Rizal, We not only pay tribute to his contributions but also derive lessons that remain relevant in today's society.
Hello, my name is Dana Paula B. Olidan, and today I will be sharing the summarization of my understanding regarding the question of bakit mahalaga na pag-aralan ang life and works ni Rizal. And I compiled all this reflection from the past interviews that I have conducted. Sinulat ko na rin siya. So, bakit mahalaga na aralin ang buhay ni Rizal at ang kanyang mga nagawa? Bilang estudyante at mamamayan, masasabi kong mahalaga na bigyang pansin at pagkilala ang isa sa bayani ng ating bansa na si Dr. Jose Rizal, lalo na ang kanyang mga isinulat na libro tulad ng Noli Me Tangere at El Filibusterismo na siyang kumakatawan sa kwento ng buhay ng mga Pilipino noong panahon ng pananakop. Sa aking opinyon, malaki ang tulong na maibibigay ng pag-aaral ng buhay at mga nagawa ni Dr. Jose Rizal sapagkat bibigyan niya tayo ng karunungan kung ano ang mga nangyari noon. Nang gayon ay mamulat ang mga kabataan ngayon at hindi na muli pang maulit ang nakaraan. Sa kabilang banda naman, magagamit ko ang karunungang makukuha ko tungkol sa istorya sa aking propesyon. Ito ay maaaring maging oportunidad upang mas palawakin pa ang kaalaman ng ibang tao lalo na ang mga taga-ibang bansa.